Hi everybody, welcome to the EduFriends Afrikaans reading course. This is book 3 of phase 1. The title is Gesin, which in English means family. In English we would say parents, and in Afrikaans, ouers, ouers, ouers. Father, papa, papa, papa. Mother, mama, mama, mama. Baby, baba, baba, baba. Twins, tweeling, tweeling, tweeling. Brother, boetie, boetie, boetie. Sister, sussie, sussie, sussie. Let's practice some sentences. In English, we would say, this is our family. And in Afrikaans, dit is ons familie. Dit is ons ouers. Dit is ons papa. Dit is ons mama. This is our baby. Dit is ons baba. Dit is ons tweeling. Dit is ons boetie. Dit is ons sussie.